So May is Mental Health Awareness Month here across the United States and in Louisiana, and it's part of why we're launching the Let's Ride promotion with our partners at Blue Crew, who operate Blue Bikes in New Orleans. We're offering a promotion to encourage people to get out and ride a Blue Bike. It's a free 30-minute ride, which is a great way to build endorphins, be physically active out and about in the community.
The Kaiser Family Foundation did a poll, and they found out that in 2019, about 10% of adults had struggles with anxiety and depression. But in 2021, after the heavy effects of the pandemic set in, that number had risen to 40%. So that's a really high percentage of adults in America that are currently struggling with anxiety and depression. And obviously those numbers increased due to the effects of the pandemic. So we really need to take focus on our mental health and make it part of our everyday physical health, mental health, and our visits with our regular providers. May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and this is a really perfect time for you to remember to check in not only with yourself, but also with your regular healthcare provider about how you're feeling. It should really be part of your everyday life to really think about your mental health. Just like we talk to our providers and our family members and friends about our other things going on in our lives, we need to start thinking about our mental health as a priority. So when you go to your regular doctor's visits, not only to talk about your blood pressure, your blood sugar, your weight, all of your regular health issues and your lab test, you really need to start talking about your mental health. How are you feeling? Are you feeling more depressed? Are you feeling anxious? Are you having stress? These are really important aspects of our overall health. And not only can mental health cause things like anxiety, depression, and some of those other things that can really reduce our quality of life, but mental health can affect our physical health. It can cause us to have elevated blood pressure. It can cause us to have other issues with our bodies. So it's really, really important. COVID-19 not only increased our awareness of mental health issues like depression and anxiety, but it actually increased the prevalence of some of those problems, including depression, anxiety, and even substance abuse. The Kaiser Family Foundation actually did a study, and in 2019, they showed that 1 out of 10 adults reported anxiety or depression. But in 2021, kind of after the heavy effects of COVID-19, that number had risen to 4 out of 10 adults saying that they were currently dealing with anxiety and depression, which then often leads to other things like other health conditions and even substance abuse. As a physician, I can tell you that the value of exercise is extremely high. It has so many positive effects on our health. Regular exercise, including aerobic exercise, which we increase the use of our lungs and our heart, get our lungs working, get our heart beating faster, has a lot of positive effects on our health, including our mental health. Regular exercise increases our feel-good hormones, including things like endorphins and serotonin. Those are the things that actually are what increase when we take medication for anxiety and depression and some other conditions. So exercise is like a natural medication. It's a natural treatment for us to improve our health. So as much exercise as you can get is best. And riding a bike is a really great way to increase your aerobic exercise, and it's easy on your feet and your knees. So it's really great for a wide range of ages, a wide range of people that may have things like arthritis. So it's much easier than running and getting some other types of aerobic exercise. So biking is a really great opportunity to get that exercise that can improve our health.
The response has been phenomenal, from corporate sponsors to people getting out and riding, to folks enjoying the beautiful weather in Louisiana, getting out to French Quarter Fest or Jazz Fest. We've seen thousands upon thousands of people hop on a Blue Bike. And as part of Mental Health Awareness Month here in May, we want to encourage more folks to get out, to try it, take a free 30-minute ride with friends, go somewhere you need to go, but definitely take advantage of Blue Bikes being in the community.
Blue Bikes is New Orleans' own bike share program. It is locally run by a local nonprofit called Blue Crew. To get riding, what you're going to do is first start off by downloading the Blue Bikes NOLA app onto your phone. Once you download the app, you're going to set up an account. Very quickly, you're going to enter your name, your phone number, your email. You must be 18 years or older to ride the bicycles. From there, you have 3 different options for payment. There's the pay-as-you-go option. It's $1 to unlock a vehicle and then 15 cents per minute. There's a monthly option, which is $25 per month, no fee to unlock a vehicle, and you receive up to 60 minutes of included ride time per day. And then there's the Blue Bikes for All program for recipients of SNAP and Medicaid. That option is just $4 per month, and you receive up to 60 minutes of included ride time per day, and there's no fee to unlock a vehicle. So to get riding, download the app, set up an account. You then are able to go up to a bicycle. You scan using the app the QR code that's located within the front handlebars of the vehicle. Once you scan, it's going to start your trip. You're able to ride. You can ride around. You're able to end your trip at either a designated Blue Bike station with the blue racks. That is free. That's awesome. There's also the option to lock and end your trip at a public bike rack or a tall street sign. And that is a $2 out-of-hub convenience charge. So 2 different options, a very flexible system.
Blue Cross's mission is to improve the health and lives of the people of Louisiana, and we do that in a whole variety of ways, certainly by what we do day in and day out through our normal business, but also through programs we sponsor. We encourage things that increase physical activity, like walking and biking, and so when we got in contact with bike share operators a number of years ago, it was a natural fit for us. A great way to encourage people to get from where they are to where they need to be, to encourage healthy physical activity and ways to get to where you're needing to go. And certainly Blue Bikes are also a great way to solve many of those other issues. They got a nice basket on the front that can help you carry things you need from one place to another. And so all of those reasons make Blue Bikes a really good fit for us as we seek to encourage physical activity and address some of the social determinants of health that impact people in our state.
Let's Ride promotion that Blue Cross is offering for Mental Health Awareness Month in May is such an excellent opportunity for us to get a free 30-minute ride on the Blue Bikes. This is a great opportunity for us to learn that biking is a great way to get outside, to have a really healthy way to exercise, and to improve both our physical health and our mental health. Blue Cross is focused on improving the health and lives of Louisianians overall, and we really want to include mental health and as one of our major priorities to improve the health and lives of everyone that we serve and contact.
I'm from Baton Rouge, but I work in New Orleans, and whenever we can, if we can come and take a ride, it's a great way to refresh your brain, refresh your body, get ready for the rest of the day. So I'm looking forward to let's go ride. Let's go.
I'm really excited about this promotion. I think the opportunity to get people out trying Blue Bikes, whether that's just for fun with friends or whether that's to go somewhere you need to go, is important. I personally love Blue Bikes. I was riding one the other week when I was in New Orleans. I know family and friends do as well. It's wonderful to get out and see the city in a different way, engage in a different way, and I would encourage anybody to hop on, let's ride.
How can people get more information?
Folks can find out more information about Blue Crew or about Blue Bikes at bluebikesnola.com, which is their website. That includes all the information about how to sign up. That includes more information about the Let's Ride promotion, as well as where you can find Blue Bikes throughout the city of New Orleans.